Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best worm bin is probably one of the most sustainable and effective ways to manage your kitchen scraps, transforming waste into nutrient-rich compost right in your home. Imagine effortlessly reducing your landfill contribution while simultaneously creating a superfood for your garden, all thanks to the tireless work of composting worms. This isn't just about waste disposal, it's about embracing a greener lifestyle and unlocking the potential of organic matter to nourish your plants and improve your soil's health, making it an invaluable tool for any eco-conscious individual or gardening enthusiast looking to close the loop on their food consumption. Number 5. EPICA 1.3-gallon stainless steel countertop compost bin. Tired of unpleasant kitchen odors? This compost bin uses an airtight lid and activated charcoal filters to keep your kitchen smelling fresh, naturally and conveniently. Cleaning is a breeze with its one-piece molded design that resists rust and leaks. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, it's built for a lifetime of use without leaching harmful chemicals. This compact 1.3-gallon bin fits perfectly on any countertop. It holds several days' worth of food scraps, making waste recycling simple. The specially designed activated charcoal filter is key to odorless composting. With proper care, it effectively eliminates odors for over 6 months. Made from premium stainless steel, this kitchen composter is durable and scratch-resistant. It's a sustainable choice for your home. Easily collect and recycle your kitchen's food scraps with this stylish and functional compost bin. It's an essential tool for any eco-conscious kitchen. What we like? This one is designed to keep your kitchen smelling fresh with its activated charcoal filter and airtight lid. It's also built to last from durable stainless steel. If you're looking for a small, stylish, and odor-free solution for your countertop, this is a great choice. What people say. Filter keeps it so there's no smell. The design and handle work well together and I love the look on my countertop. Very easy to clean and I believe it will last for many years to come. It keeps my kitchen compost from smelling up the kitchen and the fruit flies are virtually gone. Number 4. EPICA Countertop Compost Bin Kitchen. Introducing the EPICA Countertop Compost Bin, a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen. It's designed to make composting easy and odor-free. This bin has been recognized by top publications for its quality and design. It's perfectly sized for your kitchen, holding days' worth of organic waste. Say goodbye to kitchen odors. Our compost bin features an airtight lid and a replaceable activated charcoal filter to keep your kitchen smelling fresh. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this bin is resistant to rust and leaks. Its one-piece design ensures durability and makes cleaning a breeze. The specially designed activated charcoal filter is key to odorless composting. With proper care, it can last over 6 months, providing continuous freshness. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to last a lifetime. You can compost with confidence, knowing it won't leach harmful chemicals. What we like? This bin has been recognized by top publications for its design and functionality. It effectively controls odors with its carbon filter and is remarkably easy to maintain. If you value aesthetics and a hassle-free composting experience in your kitchen, consider this option. What people say. Filter keeps it so there is no smell. There is absolutely no odor due to the filter. The top of this compost bucket is nice and snug so it does a great job of keeping all the smells in. Number 3. Redmon 65-gallon outdoor compost bin. Transform your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. This bin is designed for efficient and rapid composting of organic waste. Crafted from 80% recycled materials, it's built to withstand the elements. Enjoy durable, long-lasting performance for all your composting needs. With a convenient lift-off lid and 4-door access, retrieving your finished compost is a breeze. Make your composting process simple and efficient. Its large 65-gallon capacity is perfect for creating ample compost. Enhance the fertility of your garden and backyard soil with ease. Get started with composting right away. This composter requires no tools for assembly, making setup quick and hassle-free. Nourish your plants and enrich your soil with the ready supply of compost you'll create. It's the ideal solution for your gardening needs. What we like? This bin is perfect for those with a garden who want to produce a lot of compost. It's made from recycled materials and designed for outdoor use with excellent ventilation. If you're looking to create nutrient-rich compost for your yard and need a large, durable outdoor solution, this is the one. What people say. It has 4-sided doors and a large lift-off lid. The unit was easy to assemble and is plenty big. The doors on the bottom will make for easy access to finished compost while we continue to add to the top. Air circulation is good, and there is no foul odor. It assembled in less than 15 minutes. The lid snaps enough into place that I think only tornado-type winds would remove it easily. The plastic tabs at the bottom stick enough into the ground that the lid would come off easier than the entire thing tipping over. Therefore, I think it's pretty windproof except for extreme cases. Number 2. Worm Factory 360 Composting System. Introducing the Worm Factory 360, the ultimate solution for recycling your food waste at home. This efficient system makes vermicomposting simple and odor-free. With 4 versatile trays, you can easily adjust this system to suit any household size. Customize it to perfectly match your food waste recycling goals. Crafted from high-quality plastic, it's built to last and designed to be compact. Its sleek design fits beautifully into any home without occupying excessive space. Assembly is a breeze with our clear instructions. Just set it up, add your materials, and let the composting begin with minimal effort. The clever nested tray design guides worms upward as they work. This leaves you with finished compost in the lower trays, ready for easy harvesting. Committed to superior quality, this system is proudly made in the USA. You can rely on its exceptional sturdiness and durability for years to come. What we like. This system offers customizable trays to suit your needs and is designed to be compact for indoor use. It's also proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. If you're interested in vermicomposting and want a user-friendly, space-saving system that can grow with your needs, this is an excellent pick. What people say. It comes shipped with a full booklet on just about everything you need to know to get started in vermiculture. The booklet details how to troubleshoot and identify problems that may arise, how and what to feed your worms, how to properly maintain the bin over months, how to harvest the castings from the bin when it's ready, anatomy and life cycle of worms, how to keep your worms happy, and so much more. I like how you get enough bedding to fill 2 trays so you will be set for several months before you need to go get some additional materials for bedding. This unit is ideal for a beginner or someone who just wants a very low-maintenance way to compost. The unit is sturdy and, in my opinion, very well designed. Number 1. Urban Worm Bag V2. Introducing the Urban Worm Bag V2, the revolutionary way to compost. Its innovative design makes managing your worm farm easier than ever before. Forget complicated zippers. Our new patent-pending design eliminates them entirely, while maintaining the same generous composting capacity you love. Simply feed your scraps through the top and collect your rich castings from the bottom. There's no need to separate worms from trays, it's truly that simple. Constructed from durable 900D Oxford fabric, it's built to last. You can adjust the top opening to control moisture, keeping your worms happy and healthy. The continuous flow design ensures your worms stay happy and reproduce without disturbance. Harvest your compost without ever needing to bother them. Get started in under 5 minutes. Assembly requires no tools, glue, or confusing instructions, making composting accessible to everyone. What we like. This worm composting bin features a unique, patent-pending design for effortless harvesting without zippers. Its durable fabric construction ensures longevity and easy moisture control. If you want a simple, tool-free setup and a hassle-free way to collect worm castings, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The seam of my second bag split when I went to zip it up, and while contemplating what to do next, the Facebook fan group said it was still under warranty. Amazing. I contacted Steve and he's sending me the 3rd version of the bag. The volume of it considering is amazing, especially when you factor in the amount of space it uses. It's very well made. The canvas is thick, the zippers are high quality, and I think I have the 2nd version, because my stand is very sturdy and well designed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.